Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Today is August 27th, 2021, and I'm here with another update for Tronsun V2. That's version 2 of the Tronsun smart contract. I think we last checked in, it's probably been about 2 weeks on this contract. So just to give you a recap, I believe they started at 3%, but now they're at 4% daily return. They have a 50% auto reinvestment, 5% insurance. The insurance fee is supposed to be activated when there's not enough funds for withdrawal. And then it will allow people to at least receive what their initial capital was. 300% total ROI, 15% referral bonus on 5 levels, and you can withdraw once every 24 hours. And it's 200 TRX is the minimum investment here. So let's look at the contract health and see what's going on. Okay, so there's been only 485 transactions since the creation of the contract, which was on August 6th. Right now, they have 32,360.52 TRX in the smart contract, which is equivalent to 2,797.71 US dollars. So it doesn't look like they're having a lot of traction lately. So it could be that people are just only withdrawing and just sticking with the auto reinvestment, but that might not be enough to sustain the contract. And let's just jump back in to our contract here. So with our progress so far, we've had a total investment of 676.93. We've withdrawn 953.85. Right now, what's available to be withdrawn is 141.69, and that includes referral rewards of 39.52 TRX. And this is just really showing you what our auto reinvestment has been. So we started with 200 TRX. There was some traction on the referral, so we had a larger reinvestment and then smaller reinvestments as we've been going along and updating. So let's go ahead and do a withdrawal now. And remember, on this one, you have to refresh the screen yourself. So now we're showing a total investment of 747.79. And the amount that we've withdrawn to date would be 1,095.57. And let me just check the wallet to make sure we received something. And we received half, so 70.85. Okay, that looks good. So on this one, because it is very low, I'm not going to share a referral link on this one. Not sure if it's going to be around much longer, but certainly if you have a contract with Tronsun V2, look at what you're able to withdraw, and we'll see how the contract goes. We'll check back in 3 or 4 days, and then also check to see how this insurance will be distributed should the balance go any further down. And so for me, I think I've definitely recoup the initial investment. So it probably won't apply to me, but certainly if you put in just the minimum and haven't had any referral bonus or anything like that, be sure to keep checking back to make sure that you're getting your portion of the insurance pool if it comes to something like that. Okay. And so I'd also just like to give you an update to let you know that we are going to be promoting a new membership program. It's not a smart contract, but somewhat of the same premise where your money is growing. So watch out for the next couple of days. It's going to be a really nice concept. I have to put together the videos. I don't want to make 1 3-hour video. So I'm in the process of taping the videos now, but I think it's something that's really promising, backed by people that have experience with cryptocurrency. And that might be one that you guys will be interested in deeply. So stick around. I'll do another video later on today. And as usual, happy investing, safe investing. Do not invest more than you can afford to lose. And I will see you later.